In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image into Trello, covering all you need to know for the year 2025. Whether you're new to Trello or a seasoned user, adding images can enhance your digital workspace, making projects more vibrant and easier to manage. Let's dive into the steps that make this process seamless and straightforward. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to Trello.com. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, pressing enter to visit the site. Once you're there, you'll see the homepage where you can access various Trello features. Next, you'll want to click on Log In. You'll find this option conveniently located on the top right of the page, drawing you into a world of productivity. To proceed, you can log in using your email or, if you prefer a quicker route, your Google account. Simply follow the prompts to enter your credentials and you'll be right back into the heart of your projects. Now that you're logged in, it's time to go to your boards. You'll see an option labeled Boards on the Trello dashboard. Clicking here is your gateway to all the projects you've been managing. Once in the Boards section, proceed to Your Workspaces. This is where all your collaboration happens, and it's particularly useful if you're juggling multiple projects across different teams. Here, find and select the board you want to modify. This is where we're going to add our image, and it's a simple matter of choosing the project you're working on. With the board open, you'll see various cards representing tasks or items in your project. Click on a specific card where you want to insert the image. The card will expand, showing more details and options. Now, if you have an image link, you can easily paste it by pressing Ctrl+V on your keyboard. This method is very efficient if you've got the image stored online and are ready to add it with just a couple of keystrokes. Alternatively, you might have the image saved on your device. In this case, simply drag your image file directly onto the card. This action triggers an upload, automatically attaching your image to the card, making the visual reference part of your task management process. And there you have it. Those are the simple steps to upload an image to a Trello card in 2025. Incorporating images in Trello can provide clarity and a personal touch, helping you and your team stay organized and inspired as you work. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.